Hello, welcome to the o2v converter tool tutorial number 1. The o2v converter tool works on any mesh model imported into Unity with mesh filter or a skin mesh renderer, and will convert the models and any animations that your model has. So you can get started by manually adding the scripts to your model by looking in the o2v converter directory. Go to your scripts folder and you can drag and drop the o2v converter script onto your model, or you can use the game object menu and choose o2v converter. You'll see this has added the component onto the model. There are a few settings here that you can check the documentation for on how to use, but as it is, I can just say generate new. The tool has a two-step phase process where it first generates an editable rig. This is where the tool shines and you can make various edits. If you highlight a voxel, you'll see there are many parameters and buttons which you can tweak and set to get the best looking model. Two ones that I can point at now, which we can just show you, that are commonly used, would be just to use validate min areas, and I'll click that now, which will remove voxels that have a min penetration area. You can view those. If we look at the excluded voxels, those were what was excluded according to the minimum penetration. The other common setting to use is to do some color thresholding, which helps reduce vertex count. So we can just perform that now, and there we go. You'll see there's a generate final button. No matter which voxel you've chosen, this button will always be viewable. The button is also viewable on the main component itself. They both perform the same action. So let's generate this model. There we go. I can hit play and we can see what it looks like. There you go, you have your first model. You'll see that there is a joining of voxels between the legs here, which we can fix now. Let's just stop. Normally the process of building a grid model will entail that you would build, see the results, and then normally go back and continue editing. So the final model is in the scene now, and it's been added into a preview component. You can delete that and then just enable the editable rig again. Well, I've made that easy to do by just clicking on the regional model and saying delete final and continue editing, which will perform that process for you. So what to do about the joined voxels in the middle of the legs is you need to create dividers. So you can select one or select multi. Nearly all operations on any voxels for any of the parameter settings here support multi-select. So I'll select these bunch of voxels up here, and I will give them a right divider, and I will select these ones here and give them a left divider. Generate the model again, hit play. You'll see that those voxels have now been separated. There you go. I'll continue to make more videos demonstrating the various tools as we go along. Thanks.